Suppose very fast, I'm on now.
First aid.
No, they worry.
First aid. Bust points, under bust points, waist, and top length. But let's just say our hip length. But it should be top length. Bust points, waist, under bust, waist, hip. Please help me measure. Just measure anywhere your top is getting to.
24.
24.
Yeah.
To be here.
Sure.
Yeah.
We're not leaving 2 and a half.
That's okay. 24, that's okay. Huh?
We are not leaving 2 and anything.
The 2 is not for anything before. It's just to make your paper straight. It's really not having anything to do with. So our shoulder measurement.
7.5.
Shoulder slope. This one is also freehand kind of thing.
7.7. So there's no technical version of this,
Technical.
like the
Like you
pattern,
want to get it from your pattern.
kind of.
At the end of the day, you are still arriving at the same point. So, because all this type of thing, you necessarily don't have to go through so much. You can do it on your pattern. The reason why I'm trying to introduce all this freehand is because of you want to do other things and you don't have that time. It's not every time.
It's not even all the customer, like you drawing pattern from head to toe, you're doing pump
So
pattern.
let's move on.
So let's move on, please.
Stop your tip
You
down.
say I like shortcut, I'm just asking.
Every other thing is still constant. We have not started.
Well done, ma.
We have not started any paparazzi. Still our normal half inch. So every other thing is still constant. So now we are starting. So the first thing that we do, our nipple to nipple. 7. So I'm putting it here. So let's say our top length is 24. It's even almost on the hip. But let's just put it on 24. So Victorian corset 2, we are snatching our waist. So we are snatching our waist by 6.
Depending on which material.
It is not depending on any material. This one now depends on you, how much you want to snap. If you use brocade or damask or anything, how much you want to go. So let's say we are going by 6.
That's 24.
Your waist is
Divided by
30, Abby.
Yes.
Minus 6.
24.
That's what 24. Okay. 24. So 24 divided by 4 is what? 6 point.
6. 6 itself.
6. But how did we now use? Okay, we snap down by 4.
By 4.
You can use 4 too.
How would be 19?
But let's use 6. So that means the waist that we need for our front is 6.
Yes.
Right. So now on our bust, we do our bust divided by 4. We insert it.
We are not removing half inch.
You can if you want to. You can actually. Our waist, where's our waist? Here. Our waist, we're using 6. We are still putting our normal waist, but we will reduce it to the 6 by putting some darts inside.
Okay.
So the Victorian corset vibe is to have as many darts as possible on your clothes.
Okay.
So our waist is
7.5.
30.
Okay,
Then
Papa.
there's lights. So should we go and we should quickly
Let's
grab
finish
this
this
one.
one.
Okay.
You're supposed to iron that thing.
Okay. So let's be hopeful that they will not take it before We can finish drafting in like 15 minutes if not ask question. Oh yeah, so 30. So our normal waist, insert it. Add 1 inch for that.
Okay.
Insert it. Normal waist, insert it. Add 1 inch for that. Insert it. On your hip too. Insert. So this now is still our normal measurement without any reduction. Are we together?
Yes.
This is our normal measurement without any reduction. So now on our nipple to nipple, we put our normal nipple to nipple, right?
Yes.
On the base, you know all those Victorian corset that this place is slimmer like this.
Like basque.
So that's the type that I want to do. So on the, if it is not the type, put your 3.5 all the way down if it's straight.
Okay.
But if it is the type, you can reduce this place to 2. You can just remove like 1.5 from here and reduce here by 2. Then you connect it. Are we together?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma, please. Which one is that? Ma, please. Can I see a picture of them? This one.
So that we'll go there. Let's see
the
picture. Let's go entering.
So why you want to